Hello. This is how to clean up your stream on Google Classroom. So I'm in my class and I'm in this tab, Stream. So you can see that everything that I've posted on Google Classroom ends up here in this big, long list of things. In my classwork tab, it's all nice and neat and organized, and students can see where everything fits. But in the stream, it just comes as this long list. So if that gets annoying to you, or if you want to clean it up, and oftentimes I found that students, because this is the first tab that it opens up to, students get stuck on this. So they get confused about which one I want them to open or which one comes first. So if I don't even want students to see that, here's how you can clean that up. If you come up to the Settings tab at the top and you scroll down, you see this Stream. So first of all, I can dictate which students get to talk and which students don't. So I might only have a students can comment, or only teachers can post or comment. So that means I might post a good morning message, or I might post a reminder. Students commenting means that they can ask questions on that stream and contact me that way. And students can post and comment means that students can control kind of what goes on that page. So students have the freedom to post what they want to. So you can use this however you want to, or set up whatever restrictions you want to. And if we want to minimize those notifications, we can either show the full thing in detail with all the attachments, all the videos, all the YouTube links. We can show the condensed notifications, which is how it appears now. Or my preference is to hide notifications so that students cannot see those posts on the stream. So if we hide those notifications, oh my gosh, my stream is totally clear. And really all students will see here are any announcements that I have for them. So that's a way to clean up your stream. Thanks for watching.